Hello and welcome back to another review of the car with my name is Pulo. Today we are going to review this Hot Wheels custom 68 Camaro from Hot Wheels Slammed number 228 from 250. This is the front card of this custom 68 Camaro. This is the artwork. This is the back of the card as usual. Let's go open this 68 Camaro. Okay, let's go open this custom 68 Camaro from inside the bubble of this Hot Wheels Slam. Okay. This is the artwork of this Camaro. And this is the Camaro itself from outside the bubble. Okay. Okay, let's see this Camaro first from the paint job. It came with a blue, satin blue for this Camaro. Nice black rims there. You can see there's the logo on the door. There's the livery on the door. Nice. The detail for the car is also looking great. You can see the door handle there. Nice. The engine is way good. For the front of the car, as you can see the livery for the headlights, the grills, the bumper is looking great. The hood is also looking great. Nice, right? The right side is the same as the left side of the car. And for the rear parts of the car, as you can see there, from the top, this is the way it looks from the top. I like the navy color of the satin of the car. For the base, there's nothing detailed on the base except there's a custom 68 Camaro made in Malaysia 2023 model. Yes, this is the new load of 2023. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's put this 68 custom Camaro on this turntable so you can see this is a very nicely casting from Hot Wheels, and the color is also looking great. The navy satin with a livery going on this car is awesome. Okay guys, I hope you do enjoy our reviewing this time on this custom 68 Camaro from Hot Wheels. We will see you soon to reviewing another day's car. Have a nice day and goodbye.